Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really neat little workout bench. This is extremely comfortable and padded. It was really easy to put together. All was basically in one piece. You just had to attach the headrest, which was not a big deal, and insert a couple of pins. Cushions are extremely soft, and this is versatile because it actually allows you to do a lot of different workouts. You actually can keep the back straight up, so if you're going to be sitting here, working out some maybe your chest and doing some workouts with that, that's really nice. The back is completely adjustable though and can drop down even all the way to a flat. So if you're wanting it to be flat all the way across, you can easily do that. Then if you're working on your, bench press, things like that, and if you had a bar, you could obviously do that. You just don't have anything impeding your movement. This one also allows you to actually do a complete decline, which is really unique because you actually can use these pads, lock your feet underneath here, and actually use this to work on your core and stability by doing sit-ups and things like that on it and do a decline or other workouts where you're declined as well. Last thing that I really like about this is the fact that it is extremely portable. There's 2 pins. You can simply pull them out, one at each end, and this entire thing can fold completely up because it is meant to be stored in a very small space. So you can put it behind a closet or something and only get it out when you need to use it just by removing those 2 pins. So really nice product. Thank you guys again for sending it.